Each time I propose my kids this bowl, they wonder what surprise is underneath. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by cooking 400 grams of basmati rice. You can watch my video to learn in detail how to do it. To marinate the chicken breast, cut it into cubes. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of ground pepper, half teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix and let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut into small pieces 150 grams of firm tofu, 100 grams of baby corn, 150 grams of mushrooms, half a carrot, one onion, half green pepper and half red pepper, 1 green onion, and chop 20 grams of garlic. Now, make a seasoning sauce. Put in a bowl 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground pepper. Combine. Add 25 centiliters of water. Mix. Dilute 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Fry 4 eggs over medium heat. Gently flip them and let them cook for another 10 seconds. Take them out and keep them warm. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chicken pieces. Spread them out and let them brown for 1 minute. Flip them over. Add half the chopped garlic. Let the chicken pieces grill for another minute. Then stir for 30 seconds. Keep them aside. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. When it's hot, put the pieces of tofu. Brown them for about 7 minutes so they won't be brittle. Remove them by leaving the oil in the pan. Turn on high heat. Add the other half of the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to be golden, gradually add the vegetables. Between each vegetable, leave 30 seconds by stirring from time to time. The carrot, the baby corn, the onion, the mushrooms, the paper. The tofu. And the sauce. Stir and put a lid on. Let cook for 2 minutes while stirring occasionally. Add the chicken. Occasionally stir for another 2 minutes. Add the diluted starch. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the green onion. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Use a medium bowl, not too large. Put first 1 egg, then the sauté ingredients with their sauce. And the rice. Press together. Cover with the plates and turn it up. Each guest will discover her bowl. Bon appétit! The upside-down bowl is always a good surprise. With 6 eggs, it's a fragrant basmati rice, and its tasty vegetable chopped soy. The small pieces of chicken marinated and seasoned with ginger are delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.